You rely on energy every day to power your home, your workplace, and ultimately, your community. But what can you do when the unexpected happens? That's when energy resilience comes in, making sure your business remains connected to your community during times of disruption, empowering you to save the day when it matters most. By implementing the right policies, strategies, and technologies, you can wield a proactive approach to powering through the storm. So, what does energy resilience look like in action? It starts with installing reliable equipment like backup generators, so there's a plan in place to keep the lights on no matter what. And with more frequent and intense storms, having established emergency response plans and protocols prepares you and your business to quickly overcome whatever you may face. An investment in resilient systems allows your company to mitigate the risks of potential interruptions while continuing to serve your customers and the community. Be the hero with a plan by preparing today. Entergy's Power Through can be a part of your energy resilience plan, giving you and your business power, peace of mind. Visit Entergy.com/powerthrough to learn how energy resilience can help you take action against the storm.